Hi guys, so this is Johnny Vlogger UK here. I'm in Brighton, down the Brighton Marina again, one of my favourite places. And today I'm meeting a couple of friends, a couple of female friends, Charlotte and Roxanne. So hopefully I'll do a little vlog with them. And we're going to go for a meal and a couple of drinks. I'll get them to say hi. And then you can see if you like them, click the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you soon. Hello, this is Johnny Vlogger UK, and I'm in Wetherspoons in the marina, and I'm doing another food review. And I've got a couple of friends today, and they're going to do a review of their food. So I've ordered egg, chips and ham, egg and chips, and I've got a pint of Kronenbourg. And then we got Charlotte. Say hello.
Hello.
And what have you ordered?
A southern fried chicken strips and chips.
Southern fried chicken.
And chips and onion rings.
And onion rings.
And a Diet Coke.
And a Diet Coke. Right.
Don't show my face.
And then I've got my friend Roxanne, but she don't want to show her face. What have you ordered?
Chicken strips, chips and onion rings and a Diet Coke.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to eat all their meals and then I'll film it when we finished and I'll do a review out of 10. Hello. So I've eaten my meal, look, it's all gone now.
Mine's all gone.
I didn't really think much of it, to be honest.
Bit of salad would have been nice.
No, it didn't have no salad with it, it was just ham, chips and 2 eggs. Bit basic, I thought. Not much taste. So I'll give it 6 out of 10. So, Charlotte, what are you going to review your meal? You've eaten it all up.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Brilliant.
You liked it?
Yep, very much.
Okay, stick the tongue out. Roxanne, shall we show your face?
No.
No.
I'd give mine an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Why is that?
So why did you give it 8 out of 10? What did you like about it?
Chips were okay, but the chicken, could have been a little bit better, I guess.
What was wrong with the chicken then? Did it leg it?
Yes.
Okay, so 8 out of 10, right.
I'm not showing my face. That's why I'm close.
She's a shy gal.
Oh, you put me on.
Hello. So I finished my dinner. I'm just down in my pint. So here we are. We're on the west side of the marina by the multi-storey car park. So you've got Pizza Hut, and then you've got Hollywood Bowl. And you've got a few little kiddies rides, trampolines and Pirates Cave Adventure Golf. Then you've got your casino behind it. And then you've got a Cineworld. You've got a Cineworld here, Screen X. That'll be opening up soon. And then you've got a McDonald's. This is obviously closed at the moment. Closed until further notice. We will communicate any future plans to resume operations once film studios are able to bring their pipeline of major movie releases back to the big screen. What's all this? Starbucks. They're opening up a Starbucks. That's new. Don't remember seeing that before. Rendezvous Casino. So you've got your bar and diner in there. You've got little arcades when it's open. You get your buses coming around here. There's a lemon bus, the big lemon. Don't see many of them in Brighton. And there's your McDonald's. It's a drive-through, or you can go in and order collection. And they've got the West Quay Wetherspoons there. If you look on one of my other videos, I filmed it the other side. So there you go, that's a bit more of Brighton Marina. You've got your David Lloyd gym up there, round the back. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, click the subscribe button, share it with your friends, subscribe to Johnny Vlogger. Thanks very much.